everyone, my name is Mallika Boobna and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're doing a very interesting video. You can see by the backdrop and the setup already. Today we're doing foreigners trying out Indian snacks. Snacks we have loved since we were a child. So yeah, let's get started. Today I have a very special guest with me on my channel, back again after a long time. It is Zach from the US. Zach, say hi. Welcome back to my channel. How does it feel?
Hello everyone. I'm super excited to be back, and especially for this type of episode where I get to try a bunch of food. I love food, so I'm excited. I'm really excited to try all of these snacks. I've never really tried any of these before.
Yeah, we have a lot of different snacks on the table, and I'm very excited for him to try it. He's also gonna rate them out of 10, and depending on how much he likes them. So we're gonna see what he rates now, like 10 on 10, what he rates like 1 or 2. So let's get started. What do you feel like having first, like chocolate or something like salty?
Let's start off with something salty.
Salty, okay.
Yeah.
So we need to start off with my favorite, which is Lay's Magic Masala. I think this is every Indian's favorite crisp. So let's have a try.
Okay.
So good. Do you like them? He
Yeah,
likes
it's
them.
good.
Do you think it's too spicy for you? Because like this is like one of the spiciest things we have, but it's not spicy for us Indians.
It definitely has a kick to it, so.
But you can have the entire pack.
I don't think I
Not
can
the
have
entire
the pack. I feel it burning my throat as I speak, but it's definitely very tasty and has a lot of flavor. I think when you first eat it, it does taste a little bit like the Lay's barbecue, but after there's an aftertaste that the Lay's barbecue
Yeah, it's like
doesn't
the
have.
Indian spices, like it's a bunch of Indian spices. So what's the rating out of 10?
I think for this one, I'm going to rate it a solid 8.
That's pretty good. That's a pretty good score. Okay, we're off to a good start. Okay, let's something sweet now. Yeah,
Have
let's
some
let's
sip
have
of
the
water.
Lovely. Okay, next we are having shots. So these are Cadbury Shots. I think a lot of us have these like as nibbles and munchies. Have you had these before?
I've never tried.
Okay, let's give them a shot. And these are shots. Cadbury Shots. Okay. Not a fan.
See, with this one, it reminds me of those Cadbury Easter eggs a little bit.
Never had Cadbury Shots.
Well, in the US, we have some that are a little bit similar to this. So it reminds me of that, but then the flavor is different. So that's
It's
why.
more sweet, I think, than what you have in the US.
Yeah.
What's the rating? He doesn't like it that much.
This one, I think I'm going to give a 6 out of 10.
A 6?
Yeah.
Okay. I don't like it that much either. Okay. Now let's do a drink. We have 3 drinks with us. Mogu. I think most of us love drinking these. We have pineapple, mango, and then I think we have grape. Have you had Mogu before?
It looks a bit similar to a drink that I've tried, so I don't know if it was Mogu, but
Which flavor entices you?
I think the grape.
Grape. Okay, let's try grape.
Okay.
I love the things they have inside, like the coconut thingy. It is so good.
Is
It's
it
like
coconut or is it like an aloe vera?
It's coconut. Like coconut bites.
It's good.
You like it?
Yeah. How much sugar?
Like 25%.
Okay.
You have way more sugar than this.
I think I'm going to have to give the drink a 9 now.
9? Yeah, Mogu is everyone's favorite. Okay, now we're gonna try everyone's favorite Haldiram Bhujia. All Indians cannot do without Bhujia with their snacks, with their lunch, with their dinner. So it's a must. Everyone's favorite munchie. Have that before? I think it's an
I've
Indian.
never tried this and I've never seen this before, so this is
Okay,
something that's
so-
completely new. Okay. Okay. Do I just...
Yeah, just like
Okay.
see it. It's a nibble, like it's a snack. You just like have it like in a bowl or something. It is kind of spicy, like it has like.
No, it's really good.
It's not spicy
I like
for you.
it. I like it.
I was gonna do aloo bhujia you all, but I think this is like the classic, so I went with this one. You like it?
I really like this one.
It's not spicy for you, it's like
No.
good? Okay. What's the rating for Haldiram Aloo Bhujia?
I'll definitely give a 9.
9?
Yeah.
Okay, Aloo Bhujia is a hit everywhere.
I could see myself eating this while watching some Netflix
Yeah,
series or
it's
binge
like-
watching. I'll just have the bag and keep
100%.
eating.
Okay, now we're gonna have. This was one of my favorite things to have when I was a child. People don't smoke, right? But like we felt very cool having these cigarettes. These are Phantom Sweet cigarettes, so we're gonna have them. Have you ever had Phantom?
No,
Sweet
I've
cigarettes?
never had Phantom Sweet cigarettes.
This is what you do. We literally used to do this and act like
And
you were like
pretend.
smoking cigarettes, and we felt very cool about it.
Okay.
And then you just like bite one and just like eat it.
Okay.
It doesn't taste the best. It just like felt cool, like dude. I would never like the taste. I would never like that. It's minty but sweet as well.
I definitely like mint, but for some reason it has like the texture has like a chalky feel. So this reminds me of back in school, like when the teacher would be using chalk on the board. So for me, I think I would have to
Now
give
I
this
could
a
never
5.
have it again because of the chalk thing.
I think I would have to give this one a 5.
Then guys, we had why. This is something we eat whenever we get hungry, and I do not prefer it cooked. And most of my friends and I, we have it just raw. So I've already made it here. So I just have it raw with the masalas which is inside. So Zach is gonna give them a try for the first time. There you go.
This looks like it should be cooked, no?
On the packaging, yes, but I think 90% of the people like eat it raw. I'm very, very sure they eat it raw.
It's nice.
He's having it again. It's nice. He likes it.
It reminds me of
Of
this.
aloo with bhujia, yeah.
And I actually really like this one, so I think I'm gonna have to give this one a 10.
Why 1, you guys? Why is a solid 10? Oh my god, that's amazing. Okay, on that note, we're gonna have Punjabi Targa. I've had it before, so I'm sorry it's open. But Punjabi Targa was my favorite with more than bhujia. So it is kind of spicy, but I love it. So I'm gonna see how you like it. What do you feel?
This one I'm gonna have to give a 3.
A 3?
A 3.
Is it that? It's my favorite. Like, is it like too
Um,
spicy for you?
It's not that it's too spicy, it just has a weird, a little bit of a strange taste.
Really?
Because this one,
The
I like the
bye-bye
masala and the YY and the masala and the Lays as well.
and the bhujia.
But this one,
It's too overpowering.
it's overpowering.
Yeah, I thought so. Okay, now let's move on to something sweet.
This is
Lips.
fun.
It is literally my childhood, you guys. We had this when we were going to the bus stop and pretend it's a lipstick. We didn't pretend a lot. I think that's the moral. Okay, there's a plastic for safety. Let me get this off with the. I am back, you guys, and we have lips with us. This is literally candy, but we used to pretend like it's lipstick and then lick our lips, which sounds very disturbing right now when I hear it out loud, but it is true. So
Do I also have to pretend and emulate that?
why not, you guys? Why not?
Do I lick it first?
No, you like try to like or lick it. I don't know, lick it first and try to like put it on your lips.
Okay.
And then you just like lick your lips.
Never put on lipstick before, so I don't know if I'm doing it right.
And then you just lick your lips. This is so funny. I don't actually apply a lipstick.
Is it like a strawberry flavor?
Yeah, it's strawberry. That's what's sweet.
This one I think I'm gonna have to give a 7.
7? That's a high rating.
It's a high rating, but I feel like with this one, you can't get enough of the taste because
It's fun. It's like an activity, you know. You just
Yeah.
keep doing it. But
and I don't think I'd be doing that. But
Parle G, oh my god, you guys, this is literally a biscuit which everyone in India has with a cup of tea. So it's a must. It's like the most Indian thing you could ever get. So we're gonna have one biscuit. You like them? They're sweet, but they're good sweet. Like it's like homey vibes.
10.
A 10. Parle G conquers it all, 100%. It's the best. Okay. now we have a few more remaining. I'm not gonna have him try everything because we have a lot of snacks and I think it's gonna take forever. But I'm gonna have him try. Have you tried Lotte Choco Pie? It's like Dora cakes from Doraemon. Have you watched Doraemon? You don't know what Doraemon is? Oh my god. It's like Dora cake. So basically they have marshmallow inside with like a biscuit and a chocolate covering. So it's like a very elite thing. Yeah. You see the layering, it's like beautiful. How do you not like this? A 4?
Yeah.
Why? I thought you like pies and stuff. No. There's marshmallow inside.
The cake inside of the pie is very sweet and it's very dry.
It's not as moist as
It's
like
not as moist as an actual
is.
cake. So
Fair enough. Yeah, we like very sweet things. Let's do chips first. So
Yes,
I
a bit
have
salty.
I have another Lay's with me. This is West Indies hot and sweet chili. So I've got the blue and the orange because these are my two favorite flavors, and then there's green. And I could not bring all of the flavors because it's difficult to bring them all to London with you. So we're gonna have the orange Lay's. It's so good. Hot.
see, I believe I rated this one an 8.
Yes, the blue one.
And I think I still like the blue one more than this one. This one is starting to get really spicy. I think this one
This
I'm
is
gonna.
getting spicy.
Yeah,
It's hot and sweet.
I don't taste the sweet. This one I'm gonna have to give a 7.
I thought the blue one was spicy at
No,
least.
I like the blue one.
Okay, this is the fail, guys. So, guys, you're gonna end it off with 2 more snacks. 50-50, my favorite biscuit. It's the best. Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers. Good stuff.
Oh wow. It reminds me of
Parle G.
Parle
The
G,
Parle G is way sweeter.
but this one, I like the consistency
It's
of
sweet
it.
and salty as
I
well.
think I'm gonna give this one a 10 as well. It's really good.
50-50 for the win, you guys. I'm gonna give that a 10 as well. It's amazing. Okay, now we're on to our last snack of the day. We have many more left, but I think
Oh.
we're done. We're done for now. Let's do what Zach is most excited for. Fusion gums. Fusion. I hope you can see them. Fusion bubble gums, and these are the best gum there are like in the market. It's amazing. You don't get this in London or anywhere else, for the matter of fact. And they have a tattoo inside. So no, yeah. You ripped it.
I didn't know about the tattoo.
So basically, why I like fusion gum so much is because they have like a tattoo inside the wrapper, and you just like put some water here, and the tattoo comes on your hand. We're not gonna do it because we have graduation like a day later, and we don't want to ruin our graduation aesthetic. But these are very fun. You should try them. So when we have the tattoo, we do this, and then we eat the chewing gum. So it's like an experience. It smells so good. It's a gum.
Oh wow.
It's really good gum.
It's fruity and it's soft.
Exactly.
I've never tried gum like this ever in any part of the world.
I think in places like London and the US, there are more mint gums, like more on the mint, fresh ice, and they're very hard. In India, we have all flavors of gums because we like sweet things. And fusion is like very soft, bubble gummy, like really nice.
It almost doesn't feel like a gum,
It's gum, yeah.
because it's so sweet and it's.
Soft.
I like it.
What's the rating?
9 out of 10.
I'm pretty sure, guys. Let me just spit it out. I can't talk with this.
But I think out of everything I've tried,
Yeah, what's your favorite snack out of everything which you would have again?
I would say 50-50.
Really?
Yes.
So he chose 50-50, and what's next?
Oh, this was
Really?
fun. Yeah, I loved it. It was like chips, but
Yeah,
small.
chips, yeah. These are like, it's bhujia, you guys. It's bhujia. It's the best.
So bhujia and 50-50
Zach's top picks.
and Parle G.
You chose two.
No,
So
yeah,
he-
these were my two favorites.
So he chose literally India's favorite, 50-50, Parle G and Haldiram's aloo, not aloo bhujia, plain bhujia. So yeah, I think that's great. I think you are very similar to how we choose. These are our favorite snacks as well. So what's your experience like? How does it feel? Like, do you think you would have like had these when you like growing up and you would have enjoyed any of these?
I definitely think I would have enjoyed them growing up. I think the snack culture in the US is pretty similar in the sense that we love our snacks, and
Yes.
you know, we're used to eating a lot of snacks throughout the day, just before lunchtime, maybe, you know, in the late afternoon to give us some more energy. But I think this experience and trying these unique snacks make me want to come and visit India even more. I've been before, but I didn't have an experience to try so many snacks because of the short period of time when we were there. So it makes me want to try more snacks and visit India.
It's amazing. I think you'd have a great time in India trying our street food, our snacks, and all of these things like in bulk in many different flavors as well. But that was it for this guys. This video, everyone. Thank you so much for watching this video so far. Thank you so much for being a part of it.
Thank you for having me.
And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, you guys, I brought all of this from India. Like, that's commitment. Please subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Much love.
Bye!
Bye! I needed to buy with me.
Oh, I was supposed to say bye?